Hi guys, kamusta? Sana okay kayo. In today's video, I went out on a date. Went out to pamper Ash. Yes, it's been a long time. Wait kuya, why are you smiling on my driving? So today I have decided to pamper Ash. She's been working so hard for the past few months, going back and forth from here to Al-Ain. Can you imagine yung alikabok niya in and out? Though nililinisan siya ni Kuya Muhammad, iba pa rin yung naliliguan siya paminsan-minsan. Kaya ayun, today is her pamper day. And sa lahat ng napuntahan kong car cleaning company, dito yung gusto ko yung service nila dito. Ano ba yan? First, nililiguan muna. Then, dumadaan sa ano to? Basta hangin na malakas. Parang dryer. And last step, nililinisan na in and out. Vacuum, punas, tile block, at iba pang mga anik-anik. 3 tao yung gumagawa, kaya less than 10 minutes, tapos na. And ang galing ng system nila dito. Twice na akong nakapunta. Same pa rin, same service. Kaya recommended. At yun lang, happy naman ako sa result. After 6 months ulit. Charos. Ayan, ito na ang final outcome. Actually, hindi ko na videohan ng maganda. Pero satisfied customer naman ako. Yun lang, salamat sa pagguban. Amping mo. Bye-bye!